Microlinked Hair.
So I toured through Canada for a week wearing my Microlink hair extensions. I was dancing and sweating night after night, taking part in some of the local activities there, and sleeping on a tour bus. So my curls needed to be refreshed.
Just finished a show in, where am I? I'm at Calgary. Everybody's leaving now, but the whole stadium was packed. So my hair is limp, y'all. I'm gonna wash it tonight. The set list? Give me a second.
So my hair, I've just been brushing it out. The curls will pop back and stuff, but basically it's just kind of like brushed out a little bit too much and limp. I'm going to wash my hair with this co-wash because I have a flight in the morning. I'm gonna wrap my hair up in the towel. It'll towel dry. I'll probably sleep, I think, for about 4 or 5 hours and then get up, take the towel down, diffuse it really well. I have to make sure that my hair gets all the way dry before I leave my room tomorrow morning because it's like 4 degrees outside. So my hair will be towel dried, it'll be damp, like halfway dry. It'll be much easier to use the diffuser. Usually in regular weather, I'll wrap my hair up in a towel for maybe 30 minutes or an hour or something and then take it down and then diffuse it, and then my hair will actually still be a little bit damp when I leave the house, and it can like air dry and the sun will help dry it out and things like that. But because I'm in Canada, it's winter, it was below 0 in some cities, but right now in the city I'm in, it's 4 degrees. So yeah, I'm gonna wash all this makeup off my face, take these lashes off, and yeah, wash my hair. So you'll see how my curls turn out in the morning before I leave.
Okay, so I'm gonna run through this pretty quickly. I used As I Am Coconut Co-Wash on my Microlink hair extensions. I made sure to run my fingers through my extensions while the co-wash was in my hair so I could detangle it. Rinse and repeat. The full play-by-play of washing and conditioning your Microlink hair extensions is available in the full Microlinked Hair E-Tutorial.
Okay, so I've just finished co-washing my hair. I'm gonna sleep for about 5 hours. And when I get up, I will take the towel down, put in my moisturizing products, my detangling products, and then I will diffuse my hair. So I'll be back in 5 hours to do this. Nice and cozy. It's bedtime. Good morning. Time to take my hair down. So I'm just running my fingers through, and if it's caught a little bit too much, I'll hold it so that I'm not tugging on the extensions.
This is Curls Creme Brulee Moisturizing Cream. I use this product to focus mostly on my natural hair and my scalp. Oyen Handmade Juices and Berries is my absolute favorite product. It's a great detangler and curl refresher.
Travel size pillow soft curls. Ooh, squeezing out a little bit. Yeah, that's the right one. I try not to rub it into my scalp too much. I really focus on the actual extension hair and being able to get my fingers through. So that's all I needed to do before starting diffusing my hair. It should take about maybe 20 minutes, 25, maybe a little longer, just because I want to make sure that I get this as dry as possible before walking out into the cold. Oh, it's 12 degrees, so that's great. That was better than yesterday, and the warmest I've seen so far, above 0. So I'm gonna start diffusing. The diffuser I have is just a Conair Pro. 2 settings, either low or high, and hot and warm. So I'm gonna start with a low setting. Oops. I'm gonna start with a low setting on hot. Just gonna keep doing this until it gets dry enough.
So I'm going to go through this pretty quickly as well. I'm basically scrunching up my curls and dropping them into the diffuser, holding my head upside down every now and then to add a lot of volume to my curls.
Okay, so I've done about 8 minutes worth of diffusing so far. You can see my hair is a little bigger. Usually when it's not even this dry, I'll let it air dry more, but I can't because it's super cold outside. I mean, I'm not gonna be outside for that long, but it's still just, this back area is still like a little damp. But yeah, I do want to leave it like this, but just to be safe, I will dry it some more.
I went ahead and retightened a few loose extensions in the front.
So now this one's a little more secure. Oh, there's my alarm. So I've got to go.